Let's add a doc to one of our folders directly. Let's add it to the processes folder. So we're gonna hover over it here and click on the plus icon so we can add it into the folder. And then let's choose doc. And this will add a blank document to our folder. So let's say we wanna create a document about our SOPs. So I'm gonna name this one SOPs. And then we can basically just start with a blank page and just start writing something into this document. We can also add things like tables. We can add things like buttons, toggle lists. We can add checklists, columns. So you can do all kinds of things with this document, and it's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm not going to go too much in detail for how to use these documents, but you can also add multiple pages to one of your documents. So we can click on add page here at the top left, and we can just build out an entire library of documents here. So maybe let's say this is going to be our campaign structure, where we just describe how we're going to structure our campaigns, and then all of our documents will be listed right here whenever we click on this SOP document that we have added to our processes folder.